Okay, this is the cookie dough example. They're giving us a mean of 5 chocolate chips apiece, meaning 5 chips per cookie. What's the probability of getting a cookie with no more than 3 chips? Okay, no more than. No more than. Less than or equal to. That's where I got this. So we're looking for the probability that x is less than or equal to 3. Okay, we're going to use our same formula. And so our lambda is 5. And we're looking for the probability that x is less than or equal to 3. So this means we're looking for the probability that x equals 0, plus the probability that x equals 1, plus the probability that x equals 2, plus the probability that x equals 3. Okay, so for x values less than or equal to 3, here's equal to 3, and here's less than 3. This is what we're going to calculate for. Okay, and we're going to do each one of these using this formula. So for the probability of x equals 0, that equals e to the negative lambda times lambda to the power of x divided by x factorial equals. Okay, and then we're going to do the probability for x equals 1. This is e to the negative lambda, same as what we just had, times lambda to the power of x divided by x factorial. And then we're going to do p for x equals 2. That's e to the negative lambda times lambda to the power of our x value divided by our x value factorial. And then we need one more. The probability if x equals 3 is equal to e to the power of negative lambda times lambda to the power of x divided by x factorial. Okay, now we're going to calculate these out. And I'm going to do a couple of them with this calculator. Okay, so I'm going to put in my value of lambda, and then I'm going to change it to negative, and then I'm going to use second ln for that little e to the power of x. Second ln. Now, in this particular equation, 5, or any number to the 0 power is 1, and 0 factorial is also 1. So this value times 1 is just this value, and then divided by 1 is still just this value. So for x equals 0, the probability is 0.006737947. Okay, now this time for x equals 1, we're going to do lambda, negative sign, second ln times 5 to the first power is just 5, so we multiply by 5. And here, 1 factorial is still just 1. So we're just going to press the equal sign. And we got 0.033689735. Now, this time we've got lambda, negative, second ln, and then times 5 to the power of 2 equals divided by, and don't get messed up on this, this is just 2 times 1, which is just 2. So we divide by 2 equals 0.084224337. And then finally, we've got lambda negative second ln times 5 to the power of 3 equals, and then this is 3 times 2 times 1. So we're going to divide by 6 equals 0.140373896. Okay, then you're going to add all those numbers together and round it to 4 decimal places. And that should come out to be 0.2650. Okay, so for each of these that are equal to or less than 3, we're using the formula and getting a number and then adding those numbers up and then rounding them to 4 places.